the cost depends upon whether we have some known people in US and all. So
Yeah.
does that mean that if I don't know someone in US, it is going to be extremely difficult for me to get into US?
So like I would say that the prime example is myself. So like I don't have don't have a specific person in the US, but still I'm going for it because it all boils down to one point. Like, are you like dedicated? Like, do you really want to do it? Do you have to do it? So like if you decide that you need to do something and you want something, I don't think that someone in the US, whether you have or not, should never be an obstacle for you, because like if you're dedicatedly into something, there will be people to help you out and there will be a way out. So for example, like I said, if you have people in the US, it does not guarantee you a seat though. Like it does not guarantee you a residency spot. Like it only cuts your cost and makes your pathway easier, that's all. So like for you to match into a program, you will have to perform in the interview, give your get decent step scores and work on your CV. So that cannot be bypassed, like for a specialty spot, like for a spot. So like having a person in the US will, it's actually gives you an upper hand, but not a guaranteed spot. So that should never be an obstacle for people who really want to pursue their career over there.
Okay, okay. I think that your words should give a lot of confidence to people who are thinking about this question. Okay.
Yeah,
So
I'm really glad. Yeah, I got the opportunity to uh, share my experiences. And yeah, the ultimate thing is that like if you have someone to guide you properly, I don't think USMLE is actually perceived as a very undoable exam, undoable because of the like long pathways, long wait times and all. But it's actually doable provided that you have a person who can guide you, walk you through, or like these sessions and all. Like if you these sessions, if people who are watching this, for the people who are actually in the preparation phase, it will add to a moral boost. And like there will be a lot of people who needs that misconception to be cleared off. Like, USMLE is not an undoable exam. Like it's still doable, but it all matters on whether you have the determination to do it, and whether you are willing to put in the work or not.
okay, yes, absolutely.